In this video, you will learn how to merge duplicate fields into one single field. The Merge Field tool is used to combine two separate fields and all operations into one field in the management tree. For example, moving an incorrectly named field into a correctly named field. To begin, open SMS. This is a permanent change, and we suggest making a backup before sorting large amounts of data. Locate the field that needs to be merged with another field. Right-click on the field that is named incorrectly, and click Merge Fields. The Merge Fields dialog box will now open. Select the grower, farm, and field from the tree to merge the selected field with. Then click OK when finished. You can then expand the management tree and see the fields merged correctly. All future data read into the software that has a link to either of the original two fields will be read into the merged field and not the original field name. You have now learned how to merge duplicate fields in the management tree. For more short tutorials from Ag Leader, please subscribe to our YouTube channel.